In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of your Grammarly account online. Whether you're using Grammarly for work, school, or just to improve your writing, knowing how to properly sign out is essential, especially if you're on a shared computer or just taking a break. So let's dive right into it. Firstly, open up your web browser and head over to the Grammarly website. Once the homepage loads, you'll notice a prompt asking if you have an account. If that's the case for you, and I assume it is since we're talking about logging out, you can go ahead and click on I have an account. Alternatively, there might be a log in button depending on how you navigated to the site. Upon clicking, Grammarly will request your login credentials. You need to type in your email address associated with your Grammarly account to proceed. After entering your email, you'll see a continue button. Click that to advance further. Now, this step might take you to a page where you need to enter your password, or it may prompt you to choose your account or another verification method depending on the security setup of your Grammarly profile. Now, once you're logged in, you'll land on Grammarly's homepage. Here, you can edit and improve your documents using Grammarly's tools, but today we're focusing on logging out safely. To do this, look towards the bottom of the left-hand corner of the page. It might not be incredibly obvious at first glance, but this is where your user options are located. In this area, you'll find the option to sign out. Clicking on it will prompt an additional confirmation step to prevent accidental sign-outs. A prompt will appear on your screen asking, "Do you want to sign out?" or something similar. Simply click on Yes, sign out to complete the process. This extra step helps protect your account from accidental logouts, making sure you don't leave your work session unexpectedly. And there you have it, you've successfully signed out of your Grammarly account. Remember, if you're on a shared device, it's always a good idea to log out when you're finished to keep your information private and secure. If anything goes wrong or you're unable to find the sign out button, make sure your page is fully loaded and that you're on the actual Grammarly app website, not just an extension or a standalone page. Sometimes refreshing the browser can help make all features appear. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for your needs. Feel free to leave comments if you have any questions.